Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to everyone. Thank you so much for joining with me at this online platform, English speaking class. Today we learn some basic simple sentences that we can use it for speaking English all over in the world. So let's start. The first sentence is, how much does this cost? How much does this cost? এটার মূল্য কত? এটার ইংলিশ হচ্ছে how much does this cost? Next sentence is, I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. আমি আপনার হেল্প আশা করি। I appreciate your help. The next sentence is, I disagree with you. I disagree with you. আমি আপনার সাথে দ্বিমত পোষণ করছি। এটার ইংলিশ হচ্ছে I disagree with you. The next sentence is, oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. কিছু মনে করবেন না। কিছু মনে করবেন না। এটা ইংলিশ হচ্ছে oh, never mind. Next sentence is, please write it down. Please write it down. That means দয়া করে এটি লিখে রাখুন। Please write it down. The next sentence is, what do you feel? What do you feel? আপনি এখন কেমন অনুভব করছেন? What do you feel? The next sentence is, what time is our meeting? On what time is our meeting? আমাদের মিটিং কয়টায় বা আমাদের মিটিং কয়টা বাজে? On what time is our meeting? The next sentence is, you are very kind. You are very kind. That means আপনি খুবই দয়ালু। You are very kind. The next sentence is, I am happy today. I am happy today. আমি আজকে অনেকটা খুশি। I am happy today. The next sentence is, I am very sad. I am very sad. আজকে আমার খুব খারাপ লাগছে। I am very sad today. The next sentence is, I need help. I need help. আমার হেল্প প্রয়োজন অথবা আমার সাহায্য প্রয়োজন। In English you can say I need help. The next sentence is, I want a coffee. I want a coffee. আমি একটি কফি চাইছি বা আমার একটা কফি প্রয়োজন। I want a coffee. The next sentence is, can you help me? Can you help me? That means আপনি কি আমাকে হেল্প করবেন? এটার ইংলিশ হচ্ছে can you help me please? Can you help me please? The next sentence is, where is the bathroom? Or you can ask, where is the washroom? Where is the washroom? বাথরুমটি কোথায়? और अपनी बोलते पारें ওয়াশরুমটি কোথায়? হোয়ার ইজ দ্য ওয়াশরুম? The next sentence is I don't understand. I don't understand. That means আমি বুঝি নাই। আমি বুঝি নাই এটার ইংলিশ হচ্ছে I don't understand. The next sentence is simple questions. Simple questions. What is this? What is this? এটি কি? What is this? Next sentence is what time is it now? What time is it now? এখন সময় কত অথবা এখন কয়টা বাজে? What time is it now? Next sentence is do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? আপনি কি ইংরেজিতে কথা বলেন? Do you speak English? Next sentence is what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? আপনি কি খেতে চাচ্ছেন? What do you want to eat? Next sentence is that is general conversation. I like this. I like this. আমি এটি পছন্দ করি। এটার ইংলিশ হচ্ছে I like this, or you can say I love it. I love it. আমি এটি পছন্দ করি। The next sentence is it's nice weather today. It's nice weather today. আজকের আবহাওয়াটা খুবই সুন্দর। এটার ইংলিশ হচ্ছে it's nice weather today. আজকে এখানে পর্যন্ত। I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your time. Please don't forget to subscribe my English speaking YouTube channel. Thank you for staying with me. Till then, stay well and be safe. Bye bye.